In today's video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to blow up an inflatable stand-up paddleboard. To inflate the paddleboard, you need to find the valve, and on this fun water paddleboard, it's actually at the front. When you've located the valve, remove the cap, and then find what the maximum recommended pressure is to inflate your paddleboard to. This particular model here says 15 psi. It should be written in and around the valve mechanism so you can easily find it when you're inflating it. If it's not written here, check in the instructions or somewhere else on the paddleboard. The first method to inflate your paddleboard is to use one of these pumps here. This one comes with this paddleboard, but some paddleboards don't come with one. You'll have to buy this separately. If you are buying a pump separately from the paddleboard, make sure it has the correct fitting to pump up your particular paddleboard. This paddleboard here takes this fitting here. Most of them take the same fitting. So you need to slot this in like so, and then turn it clockwise until it locks into place and is secure. Now for the worst part about owning an inflatable paddleboard, you have to pump it up manually. And this can take anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes, and it just sucks. But you pump this until you reach the recommended pressure on the paddleboard that we saw before. Maybe go a little bit below that depending on how heavy you are or how you like your paddleboard to sit when you're on it. I don't have the energy to use this pump here, so I have a better method for you. What I have here is an air pump. It's battery operated, so you don't have to have cords. And you can charge this with USB-C, hook up your inflator pipe, and press the button and come back in 7 minutes. And guess what? Your paddleboard will be inflated. So the battery-powered inflator connects the same way. Slot it in and then make sure to turn it. On this inflator here, you'll notice that there are 2 ports. This one here is the arrow for deflating, and this one here is for inflating. So we need to turn this and put it onto the other side. Now we have the hose onto the right side. We can turn this on. We're going to change the PSI to 14 because we want it at 14 PSI. And then we can just let the pump work by itself. Stop pumping up your paddleboard when you get the correct PSI. The automatic pump will turn off once it reaches the pre-programmed PSI. Now you can remove the hose, so you'll turn this anti-clockwise and it'll pop off. Then take your cap and then put it back on, and now you can go and use your stand-up paddleboard on the water.